$1,400, boy. Damn. We need the filler neck too, right?
Trying to see what's broken, see?
This has been pretty flush.
Yeah, it's a technical. There's some special nuts in the back. You gotta look it up.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't know. I'll look inside the car. Maybe they're inside there.
All right, we're gonna start doing the suspension. You wanna take the rocker out first? We got the set of wheels somewhere over here, right there. We'll put the new set of wheels on. That way it's gonna be on some air because the right front obviously has no air in it. And then these two are good, so we're gonna save these on the left-hand side.
Hey, the ribbons came in today.
Are they the right ones?
I don't know. They're at the house.
So this is the rear upper control arm. This is the rear knuckle that costs like 4 G's. Literally. So these are for the rear.
I already put grease in it.
Oh, you got a grease gun?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is for the front. Hey, you think we should reuse the hub off the original one?
This one, yeah, bro.
Because this one is off 03.
Yeah, I'll check.
I mean, we got to double check to make sure the hub is good. Yeah. Where's the upper control arm for this at?
It's in the car.
In the trunk? And here's the upper for the front. So we got 2 upper control arms and 2 knuckles on both sides. Just like that. Well, you got to grease this one too, Zane. The upper control arm. Does it have a spot?
Hey, pump the jack a little more.
You said bring it up more?
Yeah.
Good? Are these tires gone or that's just how it is? Damn, look at that rim. You know, the good thing about this, the front suspension is the same from like 03. It's just the rear. Anything else other than those 2 parts?
Yeah, it's the rotor that ball joint. It would have been just a spindle.
You mean the wheel?
Yeah.
Looks the same?
Yeah. Exactly.
Oh, damn, it snapped right off right there.
Yeah.
What do you think? Should we switch the hub over?
Yeah, I'll see it. We gotta check it.
All right. Well, with that kind of impact, the hub is probably messed up too.
We'll check it.
We'll take off the rear too. But that front rotor is way bigger than the rear. You see that?
What is it?
Look at the rotor size on this.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Fucking crazy.
So just a knuckle. Oh, the upper control arm is fine on this side. In the rear.
You sure?
You got it.
Oh yeah, it was fine. I'm saying that we got it because it's just in case. Let's do it for the back. I don't know, bro, because the impact was right on it.
Might as well change it.
Yeah, we got it just in case.
The rear wasn't that bad either. I think it was like 300.
Yeah.
How about the axle?
Yeah, all the grease came out of it though. That's
Oh,
the grease
perfect.
from it.
You know you can't buy just a ball joint. You gotta buy the whole thing.
Yeah,
Oh no. Is it fixable?
Yeah, it looks like it.
The other tabs are still in there, right?
It's only this. This one's cracked. That one's broken. This one's just cracked right here. This one's broken off.
So how many tabs are in the total? 3?
3.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Save $1,000.
Sit down over there.
All right. So I got one more part to go with the upper control arm, and then we're gonna switch over the hub bearing from the old knuckle to the new one. And this one has a lot of miles on it. And that's it. Taking the hood off now. We're gonna take off the hood, then we gotta replace this part over here, this inner shield, which is right over there. And then take out the control arm because this bolt can't go all the way out. It's gonna hit that shield. Hey, did you see this pump over here?
Yeah.
What is that?
I'm not sure.
And that's it.
Bondo. Put it right here. Throw some Bondo. Call it a day. That's all you need.
You know he's gonna post that.
I know.
got this inner fender shield on. Now we're doing the suspension. Got the knuckle. We had to replace the hub off the old one, which is right over here. Can't get a gun in there?
No, it's gonna hit this. I'm not trying to fuck that up.
And they got the rotors over here. This thing's light as shit. Carbon ceramic rotors. Alright, so this one's done. Everything's back on. The rollers?
Yeah.
Harbor Freight.
Really? Some good ones?
I mean, I don't know how long they'll last, but those are 2 over there. And then we still got to grease this upper one, right?
Yeah, let me grease it.
Looks like it's pretty dried up. That's it. Front is good. We're gonna finish the rear, then put the new wheels on. Then start taking off the quarter, the rear bumper, and the door. We're taking off the door today, right?
No, not the door.
Not the door?
Probably the quarter.
All right.
That should be enough.
Yeah, looks fine. It's good. And that's gonna be it for the rear suspension. Now we're gonna take off this quarter. Gotta figure out a way to do that. And then take off the rear bumper and try to fit this filler neck in. Right over here. I don't even know where the gas tank is on this thing. It's hidden somewhere. I think it's right over here. So the filler neck goes to this, the tube plugs into one of these. And then we'll have a slot for the filler neck and the filler gas tank release right here. I think this is all one assembly, Zane. So we got this part that connects to this part. Yeah. And then you put the cap. Okay. Take the battery off. Go get a new one. And we're probably gonna wrap it up here for today. We got the suspension done. We're not gonna put the wheels on yet because we still gotta work on the body. And I don't want these wheels getting messed up. These are literally brand new. So we're gonna take these 2 pieces off and then that'll be it for today. All right, so that's it. Why don't you just put the bumper right here? Under it. So it's scratched up. Got the quarter off. Got the door sill off with the actual housing. We got to take this piece off when we saw the quarter back because they did it wrong. Where did the quarter go? Where's the quarter panel? Oh. We're gonna fix all the cracks in it. This got a crack over here. Got a crack over there. Crack over here. And it's missing a piece that we're gonna have to fabricate right in there. But for the most part, it's fixable. It's pretty cool how everything just slides together. The quarter just snaps right on. Everything comes off to make it easy to fix. And we gotta figure out a way to make these work too. This is $5,000. How much was this? 5 or 6 grand? $5 for this. He's putting the bumper back on. These are the spoilers that we're working with. So we're gonna take the end plate off this one, put on this one. This is gonna be a cleaner one that we're gonna reuse. The hood, we're gonna have to fix this part. This is probably gonna be for another couple of videos. Gotta fix this bumper. I think this got hooked when they were towing it and they ripped it off. But we got the splash shield on. We've got the suspensions fixed on both sides. It's looking good for the first day of work. But that's pretty much it for today.